as for Three Arrows Capital, it's not any better. It's actually much worse for Three Arrows Capital. So liquidators are seeking time because they're going through all their assets, and there's just so much to go through. And the two founders are nowhere to be found. They don't know where they are, and that's the worst thing. But if they've been looking through some of the stuff that Three Arrows Capital has done over the years in terms of borrowing, and what they've been doing with that money that they borrowed, right? There's just a lot of bad stuff going on. For example, Kyle Davis and Suzu try to, buy a $50 million yacht. They put a down payment. It looks like luckily they didn't pay the whole 50 million, right? But they were trying to buy luxury yachts, luxury houses, stuff like that. Zuzu's wife, Kelly Chen, borrowed $66 million, whether or not it's really her or Zuzu just borrowing in her name. But according to this, she borrowed $66 million. Is she ever going to repay that? Probably not. Probably not. But it goes beyond there. Moonbeam, which is a project on top of Polkadot, says that they lent Three Arrows Capital $27 million. So it's not. So we're starting to see companies also, these projects, they all lend out, right? So I don't know why Moonbeam would lend over $27 million to Three Arrows Capital. And there's something else. Algorand also. Look at last October, Algorand entered a one-off OTC trade with Three Arrows Capital. We have reason to believe Three Arrows Capital violated associate lockup terms. So basically, Three Arrows Capital bought a ton of algo via OTC. There was a lockup period, and they basically ignored it and sold it. So probably contributed to the sell pressure, for algo, and maybe they have done this with many other companies too, right? So yeah, it's just the web of Three Arrows Capital is just so vast, and now we're starting to hear all about it, all the change that's happening. None of it is good. None of it is good, right? But luckily, I do think we're starting to get past this, right? This was obviously a major event for crypto, not a good look for crypto. This will probably bring on a lot more regulations, especially with Celsius and others shutting down, right? But we are going to get past this, and we're starting to see that happen already. So if you're looking at, obviously look at what's happening right now. Bitcoin is coming up, crypto is coming up, right? This is what I mean by signs that we're getting past this.
If you are new to the space and you're looking to buy your very first Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, head over to CryptosRus.com and click on Best Crypto Exchanges. This will give you a list of all the major exchanges out there to choose from.